In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app. Now select photos or albums at the bottom and locate all of your pictures that you wish to delete. When you're ready, hold the chosen one and tap on Select All at the top right corners, or tap on this icon of 3 lines and the check mark at the top right corner. If you wish to keep some of those pictures, tap on the chosen ones. And then to get rid of the rest, use this pin at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!